Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today is part 5 of the 3-part series on the Pathfinder M34 Scout Canteen, and today's going to be a discussion of different carrying options for it. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, I got to wondering about different carrying options that could be found for the canteen. So I went out to eBay and to the Molle Bag sites. There's quite a few of them out there, and I picked up these 3 here. So I thought we'd just take a look at them and see if the canteen would fit. That was my biggest wonder when I bought them. But fortunately, these things aren't very expensive, and if they won't work for the canteen, then I always find other uses for them because they're pretty handy. So anyway, so let's get started. This is the first one. Now I'm going to just kind of show you these. They don't really have a name. You just have to kind of look at the design and kind of guess by the design and layout whether it's the one that's going to fit the canteen or the one you're going to want. I thought about putting links for eBay to these different bags, but I tell you what, if you just go out to eBay and search tactical Molle bags, there's dozens of sellers, so you just have to kind of search around, find one that has kind of what you're looking for, size and color and price, and go for it. Most of them have free shipping, which is pretty decent. So anyway, this is the first one I got. I was looking for something a little bit taller than the bag that I use for my Brew Kit, which you can see in my other previous 4 videos, which was too small. Plus it had 2 pockets and it just was too tight for this. I did find this one, and we'll just look at, if you look at the outside, it's got this clever little flap on it. I guess this is as much a review on these bags as it is about the whether they'll fit the canteen. So this one's pretty nice. It's got a pocket there, or a sleeve. It's got a little sleeve here. This thing's got all kinds of options. It's got a separate pocket here, so you could zip, put stuff in there. None of them are huge. I mean, definitely great little EDC bags, but this has the flap that covers everything, and I think that's the distinguishing characteristics when you're looking. It's got some side straps, although it doesn't have any of the Molle on it, but it does have a belt loop here. It came with this little carabiner. So, and it came with a strap that came with it, so which is pretty nice. Some of these don't have straps, so this would be more for shoulder carry. You can give this to your wife or girlfriend. It could be their little disco purse. So anyway, I was wondering about this bag. So, and I think before you, if you're going to use this in a bag, I just remove the little strap, because you're not going to really need it once it's in the bag. It's going to be held together. So also it makes it easier to get in and out of the bag. How do I know? Experience. So anyway, this one was pretty close. I mean, the inside of the bag, it's just one big bag. It's got one little sleeve pocket in here. But so I tried him, and he almost fits. just a shade too small, which is unfortunate. I imagine you could force it to get it all the way up and over. So yeah, it's about as tight as it's going to get, which after a while it's going to trash the zipper. But you could always just go this far. I don't really see this coming out, so it would work. It would still work even though you can't zip it all up. It's not neatly dressed out. You get demerits if you're in the service for this messy thing. But anyway, that's a different subject. But so this one, although it's a nice little bag, just a hair too small. So that was this guy. Now we'll look at this guy. So here's another one I bought. It looked a little bit bigger. And just a review of this bag, take a look at it so you can get an idea of which one it is. So if you wanted to match this up, you can get the right one. But this has a separate little Velcroed flap out here, sleeve pocket. It's got an outside pocket with a couple little sleeves. These things are infinitely organizable. And then it's got the main compartment here. I threw in some scraps just to kind of stretch it out a little bit because they come smashed when you get them in the mail. So, oh yeah, on the inside of here, you've got another little sleeve pocket in here and a couple of elastic straps if you want to use it for something else. So this guy, of course, the handles want to hang up on those sleeves, of course, but not that big a deal. And this one will actually zip closed. So there you go. You got a case, and it's like I say, it's got the Molle on the back. No hooks if you wanted to belt or carry it with a strap, but yeah, you can mount this on if you want to Molle it or however you wanted to. So yeah, this one it fits in there nicely. Plus you got a little extra room to add some extra stuff. I thought about this. You could almost make this one like my brew kit. I couldn't put the cup and coffee part in it, but I could probably fit my little Altoid stove in there with the fuel bottle on this outside pocket. Make it one kit. So that's this one. So if you like this one, like I said, these are nice bags. I really like them, obviously, because I got so many of them, and I actually used quite a few of them. I had a few extras in stock, and I wound up using them for different things or attaching them to the water bottle kits that I build up and give to my daughter and granddaughter. So they get used up. So here's the I'm going to take the stuffing out of this one. There we go. Should have done that before. But again, this one has Molle on the back. It came with the straps, with a strap that are clipped on with a D-ring. It's got the main compartment, which has again 2 sleeves on the inside. And this is I've never seen one like this before. It's kind of an interesting little outside attachment. It's a bit expandable. You can cinch it down. It's got this elastic draw cord, and then it's got this clip here to attach in there whatever you want. So I think I got this one out as far as it'll go, but it's got like a loop affair here, so you can fit whatever you want in there, whatever you can get in there, and you could cinch it up. And also it's got the clip here, so it'll keep it from popping out the top if you did it. So yeah, this is kind of another neat little bag you could shoulder carry. So in this one, put it down in there, and this one is snug. Make sure it's in the bottom, but you can zip it up also. So this is another carry option. Hang that around your shoulder. Like I say, it's got all kinds of attachment points, so you can come up with all sorts of things. If you can't make it work, then I don't know what I can say. You got the options to make it work. So here's another little option. So let's see. So I just thought I'd show these to you guys, give you some ideas if you wanted to carry your Pathfinder Canteen in a bag of some sort. So that's the 3 that I've got so far. I don't know if I'll try to find any more, since I found 2 that will work for this one. Maybe that's about as far as I'll go. So let's see. Really can't think of anything else to say about these. Like I say, if you're interested, just go out to eBay. It's tactical Molle bags. And like I say, they're all sizes, all shapes. It's amazing the variety. I mean, whatever your needs are, you can probably find something to do it. Or like me, get the bag and then find a need. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.